Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create a news website on WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the news website in WordPress, first of all, what you need to do, you would have to go inside the appearance because the first thing that we need to install is theme for the WordPress website. Okay, so let's just click on the themes here. Okay, so here what we need to do, we have to click on add a new theme here, and here we have to search for news here. Alright, so as you can see that we have bunch of different themes here for the news. Okay, but I would actually like to go here with more specific, so let's just write down digital news. Okay, so as you can see here, the digital newspaper at the top of the search, so we're going to install this one and click on the activate. Alright, so we have installed our theme here, so let's click on visit site. Okay, so this is how our theme is looking, and if I just click here, you will be able to see the dark mode on our theme here. Okay, so now let's just go back, and here we would have to import the dummy data for our newspaper. Okay, so for that I will simply click on the install demos, and here as you can see the option of install Blaze themes demo importer. So we have to install this and activate this as well. So let's click on the install and activate. Okay, so we have installed and activated this. Now we would have to select the demos here. So I would actually go here with default one. So let's click on the install, click on the import demo. But you would have to remember that when you import the demo, it would reset your website. Okay, it would actually delete everything that you had previously. Okay, so let's click on OK here, and it would take some time. So let's wait for it. Alright, so I'm having a kind of issues while importing the demo. I don't know the reason. It might be because of my internet connection, but this is how you can import the demo data if you want to import it. Okay, so now what we need to do, I would actually go inside the post and I would have to create some new post here. Okay, so you can see here we have these posts. Okay, so the data has been imported, I think. All right, so let's just go to our website here. Okay, so we got the data from our demo, but it was still showing the error. I don't know the reason, but we got the data from there. Okay, so after getting the data, so if you want to customize this theme, you can simply do it. Okay, so that is really easy. You simply click on the customize here, and here you will be able to see the options of customization. Okay, so you can see here in general options we have global, site identity, color, category color, typography, header image, and if you go inside the header options, we would have top header, theme header, and ticker news. And after that we have the front page options. So in the front page options we have main banner, front sections, and page options. Okay, and after that we have the page options, and we have footer options, and in the last we have core. All right, so first of all let's just go inside the global, and in the global as you can see the option of SEO, preloader, website style, website layout, animation, social icon, buttons, sidebar options, and you can also see the other options here. All right, so if I wanted to edit my website title here, I'll simply click here. Okay, and you would be redirected to the site title and tagline. So if you want to change the value here, you can simply change the value from here. So let's just write down digital news here, and you can also customize the design here. Okay, so if I just go inside the design, you can see this. I can change the color, I can change the site hover color, and I can change the site description color as well. Okay, and if I just go back, you'll be able to see if I wanted to add logo or the site icon with our site title, I can simply add it from here. Okay, so let's click here, and you can see the option here. I can upload the logo from here, I can change the width of the logo from here, and if you want to upload the site icon, you can simply do it from here. Okay, so let's click on the select logo, and let's just go here with this one. Click on the select, click on the skip cropping, and now you'll be able to see our logo here. Okay, so let's change the width here. Okay, so this is how I can add the logo here. So let's just go back, and if you want to customize the headline here, you simply click here and you can see the options here. So we have the option of the width layout, we have the show ticker on, you can see the option of ticker title. So if you want to change the title here from headline to anything else, you can simply do it from here, and you can also change the icon here as well. Okay, you can see we can simply change the icon here as well. And after that we have the order by. So how you want to show the post or the news, so the order by is here, newest to oldest. Okay, and after that we have the category, so we can select the post or the news by category and the title as well. And we can also filter them by the last 7 days, today, this week, last week, and you can see the other options here. Okay, so we also have the latest news here. So if you want to edit this, you simply click here, and now you can see here. So if you want to show the main banner, you can simply show it from here, and you can also see, so we can simply change the popular post title here. As you can see here, right now we have the popular news, you can see here, so you can simply change it from here. And you can also explore the other options here by yourself. Okay, and you can also edit these posts here as well. So if I just click this, you can see this, we can edit this, but unfortunately this is actually the part of the pro version, so we actually can't do much customization in this. And if I just scroll down, you can see this, we can also edit this element here. So I think this is actually the bottom footer, so we can also edit this as well from here. So this is how we can customize our news website here. Okay, so let's click on the publish here. All right, so let's just go back. Now let's just go back into the post. So from here I would actually like to add a new post here. So let's click on the add new post, and to create the post I would actually go to the ChatGPT just to get the dummy data or the dummy post here. All right, so let's just write down create. Okay, so let's just create an article on Messi with catchy title. Okay, so let's just send it here, and we have the title, we have the introduction, so we can simply copy this and go back to our WordPress, add the title here. Okay, so it has completed generating the response, so let's just copy this from here, and let's just go back to our post, and let's just paste the value here. Okay, so now you can see here, just remove the title from here, and I just click on the publish. All right, so now let's just go back to our website, refresh the page. Now you will be able to see our new post here of the Lionel Messi. Okay, so this is how we can create the post in our digital news website. Okay, so this is how it can be done, and this is how you can create a news website in WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.